Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to cut open Cherimoya fruit. First thing you need to do is make sure that the fruit is ripe. When the fruit is ripe, it has a nice fragrance and is a little bit soft. To get into the flesh, we will need to cut it in half and then peel off the skin. The white flesh of the fruit is the edible part. Once we peel off the skin, there's a core area that I usually do not eat and always try to avoid. And I will remove that part as well. And also the seed is also not edible. You need to remove that before eating it. Once we're done peeling off the skin and removing the core, it should look something like this. This fruit is one of my favorite tropical fruit. It is sweet, tangy, and so refreshing. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.